Sneha Savla. I am an audiologist and speech language pathologist. Welcome to Sparkling Activities. On this YouTube channel, we share different creative and innovative activities using simple and easily available household objects, and we post a video every Wednesday. So as you all can see, we have chosen leaves, different kinds of leaves for today's activities, and this is something which is very easily available in our houses, in our small gardens that we have. So this is the activity that we are going to do today. So let's get started. So for the collection of the leaves, either you can pick up the leaves which are dropped down on the floor, or you can make your child pluck leaves from the plant, whatever is convenient for you. So for our very first activity, what I have done is I have mixed leaves of 3 different trees over here on this tray, and I am keeping these 2 plates over here. What I am going to do is I am going to do the sorting activity. So now for example, as you can see, I have taken this leaf over here and I am keeping it on the plate over here, and the other leaf which I am taking is this leaf. Okay. So now what I have to do is I have to do a sorting of the leaves. So there are 3 different types of leaves on the tray. What I have to do is first type, second type. But if the third type comes, I am going to keep it over here only on the tray. I am not going to match it anywhere. So this is a simple sorting activity. So now I have this leaf. I have to see whether these 2 leaves are same. So they are not same. Are these same? Yes, they are same. So that means I am going to keep it over here on this plate. Now I have to take another leaf. So I see that this leaf doesn't match either with this one or with this one. So what I have to do is I just have to keep it over here on the tray in this manner. Now I will again take another leaf and see to which one it goes. So this leaf belongs to this particular category. So this is a very fun and an interesting activity, and something that I'm sure we all will enjoy a lot, because this is an unusual activity. We generally do not do any kinds of activities with leaves. Leaves have a different and a very beautiful texture. So if you do activities using leaves, I am sure we all will enjoy a lot. So this was an activity number 1. Now let's move on to activity number 2. Now for activity number 2, what I am going to do is I am going to take the leaves of the mango tree. So here I have the leaves of the mango tree, and this is the front side of the leaf and this is the back side, which is very easily prominent and can be visible to us. And this is the lower portion, the stem part of the leaf, and this is the narrower top portion of the leaf. What you have to do is you have to hold the leaf on the lower side, the stem, facing the front side towards you, and you have to tilt the lower end and the upper end in this manner. So you have to tilt both the sides in this manner, and you have to fold the leaf. And what I'm going to do is, with the help of this stem, I'm going to create a small hole over here on the front side of the leaf. So basically what I have done is I have attached the leaf in this manner. So this is like a staple activity. Generally what we do is we take a stapler and we try to fix the leaves together. So instead of using a stapler, I am using the lower portion of the leaf. So this activity is very interesting because your child will understand, one, to hold the leaf in a particular manner, to bend it in a particular manner, and to give certain amount of pressure on the stem so that it creates a small hole over here on the other side of the leaf. So a very simple and a fun activity, and something that I am sure will really look very pretty and beautiful. So this was a activity number 2. Now let's move on to activity number 3. Now for activity number 3, what I am doing is I am taking this leaf which is very wide and bigger in size. This is the front portion of the leaf and this is the back portion of the leaf. Now as you can see that there are different lines on the front portion of the leaf, on the left side and on the right side. So what we are going to do is I am going to hold the leaf in this manner, and from one particular line, like this line, I am basically going to tear the leaf in this manner. So this is more of a tearing activity. Now as I have done it on this side, now I will go one level higher but not on the same side, on the other side. So this is like a sequential activity as well, where I am doing a left and a right side as well. So as you can see, this leaf looks very pretty, and this is more like a pre-tearing fine motor activity. Rather than using the pair of scissors, what we are doing is we are using our hands and we are feeling the beauty of the nature. So a very fun and a very natural activity as well. So this was our activity number 3. Now let's move on to activity number 4. Now for activity number 4, what I am going to do is I am going to use the leaves which are of this type, and we are going to target the concept which is a full leaf and a tone leaf. So as you all know, when we go and we take leaves from the floor, not all leaves are there which are full or complete. There are some leaves which may be torn or broken as well. So what we are going to do is we are going to target the concept of full and tone and teach this to our children. So I am seeing this leaf over here. Now over here on this edge, it is slightly toned. So what I have to do is I have to keep it on one plate where all the tone leaves are going to be kept. Now let's see this leaf. Now as you can see through the border, there is no kind of a tearing on the leaf, and this leaf is completely fine. So I'm going to sort it and keep it over here. So in this manner, now as you can see, we had just toned this leaf over here. So now this is not a full leaf. ये पूरा नहीं है. It's broken. ये टूटा हुआ है. So I'm going to keep it over here. So in this manner, you can teach the simple concept of tone and full to your child. You can also get your child to actually tear a particular leaf and feel the texture of it. So these were our 4 different activities for today. I hope you all liked the activities. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Sparkling Activities. I will see you all next Wednesday with more such fun and interesting activities. Happy playing!